We are so excited that the Liminal tools are now a part of the Zoom webinars and events production ecosystem. These powerful tools allow customers to do all kinds of amazing things like extract isolated AV feeds, create custom gallery outputs, display on-screen graphics that really amplify audience engagement, and even create the most complex and automated production workflows, all from a Zoom meeting or webinar. And the best part is that these tools are included at no additional cost to Zoom Webinars Plus or Events license holders and their event teams. In this video, we will show you how to activate these licenses and start using these tools right away. First off, if you're already a webinar and events customer and have used the event platform before, activating Liminal tools takes no time at all. Launch the software. Here's Zoom ISO, for example, and log in with your Zoom account. As long as your license is associated with a hub of any kind, as either an owner or a hub host, you're good to go. Once activated, the Liminal tools can be used in any meeting or webinar, regardless of whether that meeting or webinar is hosted from the events portal or not. Now, let's walk through the entire process from purchasing a license through using these tools. You will obviously need either a Webinars Plus or Events license. These can be purchased directly online or through your Zoom account manager. We offer a variety of event capacities and license types, including a pay-per-attendee pricing model, which provides an extremely low barrier to entry for the platform. Explore all of these on our pricing page at zoom.com. Once you have purchased the license, the next thing will be to ensure that this license is assigned to the correct user. This will need to be done by your Zoom account admin if that isn't you. Here we have found the appropriate user and have a variety of available licenses available on our account. Admins can simply edit the user and add the correct license. The user will then receive a notification email letting them know they have a new license. The next step is to log into the events platform from that email or directly at events.zoom.us. Here's what that process looks like. Here we see our new license and a welcome message. There's a short tour of the platform, and I'd encourage you to explore that. However, for our purposes, the most important tab is the Team tab. Here we can view the hub owner and add additional team members as hub hosts. Again, all hub owners and hub hosts can activate and use Liminal production tools. All right, let's switch over and start activating all of these tools now. It's really as simple as logging in with the correct account. We'll get started here with Zoom ISO. We'll sign in with our Zoom account and agree to all the app permissions. If you run into any roadblocks here, you will need to work with your account admin. Once the login is successful, the app will be launched and will be fully activated, ready to use. The other Liminal tools work in the same way. Let's show you what that looks like. Here's Tiles for Zoom. Perfect. And now Graphics Toolkit. And by now, you're getting the idea. Here's Zoom OSC. All right, time to get to work now, creating some amazing virtual or hybrid event experiences for your audiences, all with Zoom webinars and events.